Today I'm gonna show you guys how I remove my makeup.
Sometimes I just be doing shit that don't make any fucking sense.
Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl ChynaCheeks coming to you with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I remove my makeup. So if you're interested, keep watching and stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. First, I'm going to take my lashes off. Just snatch them off. And place my lash where I can see them. Because we don't throw away lashes, of course. Before I remove all of my makeup and start the washing process, I like to use wipes to remove the surface or what I can get off. Most people like to use oils, but I use makeup remover wipes, baby wipes, but today I'm going to use a baby wipe. Now, if I do have on like very abrasive makeup, so I just wipe and swipe. But I like to use the really wet ones, so wipe and swipe, swipe up. Swipe up, you know, swiping up because I don't like to swipe down. Apparently, gravity, whatever. The wipes that I was using, the Pampers, one scented Pampers baby wipes. But it is better to use unscented, but I'm a mommy on a budget, use what I have, period. We're gonna get on to the washing the face process. Actually, I like to use soap. Now, I don't use, I'm turning on my water here. I like to use soap, but I do use a 99.9 antibacterial soap, which is the Ivory Original. This is it here. I rub this on my face. This is the only soap. It's not what I use on my body or anything. I'm not using soap on my body. This is strictly for my face. I put it all on my face. Yeah. Put it all over. I know how to wash your face. Y'all should. But if you don't, turn on the water. And all I ask is make sure you get under the neck, your neck, by your ears, everywhere possible. If you wear laces, I do have on a bonnet, so get around that hairline. I'll be back when I'm done washing. I like to use a white rag. Remember, swipe up. Remember, still gonna be makeup on our heads because this is heavy duty makeup we were wearing today. Get under my eyes. Don't be so rough. My brows and everything should be coming out. I like to use a white rag because it lets you know what I was doing. Period. Y'all gonna see how clean this rag is. This Ivory soap cleans off everything. I am very crucial with my base because, you know, I wear makeup. So my routine is my routine. So what I use next is the ChynaCheeks apricot scrub to exfoliate my face. Exfoliating my face is the favorite part of my facial routine. And I just put this apricot scrub. And this is the acne fighting one. So just exfoliate our face, like, period. Like, just put it on there and just scrub your face and your neck, you know. This is what's really gonna remove the makeup. Then we rinse. This last and final step is basically my go-to. I do this for my makeup removing routine, my regular facial hygiene routine, period. And my secret is Kojic acid soap. What this soap does basically is removes all hyperpigmentation. This is a natural soap, but it's Kojic acid soap. I'll leave the link down below. You can get this from Amazon. And then we do the same thing like we do with the Ivory soap. So that with this project soap, I work really fast because this can be just exfoliated. And like I said, this is acid soap, but what this does is just lightens the hyperpigmentation of your skin. I'm not trying to bleach my face. This just gets rid of the dark spots on my face. Period. So don't try to come for me. So just rub that in for about 2 minutes under your neck. And then let anywhere you feel like you have hyperpigmentation, just work it in there. Then we rinse. Face is probably red now. That's because that's that conjugal acid. So we tone. Now, take cotton balls, take my astringent. Some people use alcohol. I like to use astringent, which hazel, whatever you have. And what this does is tone your face and really get what you did not get, baby girl. So I like to use this around my eyebrows mainly because the eyebrow product that I do use is very harsh. So a lot of cotton balls, probably like 4 cotton balls. And then get my neck. They be thinking our face is so clean. I usually fan my face. Now this is where you can stop, but because I'm extra, I keep going. Now my final step, I normally put a mask on, but I'm gonna save that for another video. What I'm gonna do, because I'm just removing makeup, put some hydration back into our skin. The Neutrogena Daily Even. So this is a wash. You can use this one day, but I use this at night. Put it on my face, you know, everywhere that I washed on my face. Like this. Boom, 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 boom. One more last and final step. We need to put some collagen back into our face, which leave some vitamin C oils back into our face. You know, we're about to go to bed, so we know all hydration that we can get. So I'm gonna use this Skin Science oil that I got from TJ Maxx here. TJ Maxx, and this is bomb. I love this stuff. It has a dropper like that, and I just dropped this all over my face. And this is the collagen oil. You know, when you just rub it on your face, and soak in, rub it in. That's it. That's all I do. So thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. This was my how I remove my makeup at night routine off a heavy abrasive makeup. This is my routine. This is what I do. This is what's been working for me. I've been using this stuff for years. Everything will be linked down below. So again, thank you for watching. Let's wash our face. Let's take this makeup off. Well, the makeup's already off, but period. It's easy. This is easy. Wash your face so you won't be burnt out, because sleeping in your makeup's a no-no. I'm not gonna say I haven't before, but I try not to. So yeah, this is the end result. Period. Yeah, I can go to bed. I can go to bed. Y'all hear my baby? I can go to bed. Good night.